Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our nightly video report for Thursday, August 18th, 2016. So, pretty much all day today, you needed toothpicks to hold your eyes open, or some no-dos or anything, because the market really did absolutely nothing. The S&P was flirting between up 3 and even the entire day. The Dow was red a little bit and green a little bit. There was really absolutely nothing going on, and that was all the way up until the last 2 minutes before they crushed the VIX, brought it down almost 30 cents in the last minute, and that allowed for the last minute spike in the S&P. So it closed up 480. Big deal. You know what? Here's the 78% retracement is at 2188. There's this open gap that's at 2089. We already have bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart. It's overbought right now, and this is after not having any bullish divergences when this was made. So to me, it makes no difference if they come up, even if they come up above here. This is a borrowed time move, and we've seen this happen over and over. And the minute that the shenanigans get pulled away and the algorithms are not controlling everything, then we see panic, and then we see, the massive drops that take place. And, a lot of people think this time is different, and heck, it's the market. Anybody can be right. But from what I've gathered in my years of experience here is that the same things happen over and over again, and it's people that think they know what's going on as far as with the markets, and they're sure about when it's going to turn or where it's going to turn. Those are the ones that get caught, because everybody becomes very complacent. They're not worried about anything. And we see that through sentiment. We see it through everybody just dumping any kind of protection on the VIX. I mean, the VIX is right near the previous lows. So everybody's dumping protection. The sentiment is at extremes. Everybody, thinks they're safe until after the elections or to a certain date in August. And from there, you get, a move that's 10 times sharper than this. And it ends up being, one of the moves that washes everybody out, something like this. And like I said, it makes no difference to me what they do here. If they rally it another 10, 15 points, to me, it really means absolutely nothing. All of these waves right here, all of them are overlapping. So if the bulls are going to try and count all this, you have just a number of 1-2s. And you know what? When there's that many 1-2s, 9 out of 10 times that wave count is wrong, and it's going to be heading the exact opposite direction. And like I said, I've seen this happen over and over again. And to me, it makes no difference if they try to squeeze out the last shorts and take it through here. We're making a topping process right now, and when this gives up because of the length of time that it has taken, where we've just kind of gone straight up and without any kind of resets in the market, we're really looking at a move that is going to be very similar to this, if not worse, because remember, we're still within this larger reverse symmetrical triangle, and this has just been tilting up right now. So it's a bear flag, and everybody, like I said, believes that they're safe until whatever date in August or after the elections. And when the rug gets pulled out, everybody jumps at once, and before you know it, the algorithms don't have control of anything anymore, and they're selling. And then it's why I've been saying that we're in an all-in, all-out environment right now. There is no sideways. It's either it's going up or it's going down, and you're going to see some head fake moves up when it's going down, and some head fakes down when it's still going up. But when it turns, it's just going to turn to all selling. For everybody that will, turn around and say that the bears, they're crazy trying to short the market and all this. It's not easy, but nobody was saying that when the S&P was trading down here, but yet everybody was calling the bears crazy up here. So the thing is that we're in that very, very cocky, complacent time period like we were here, where everybody believed that we were going to break out, and before we knew it, within 3 days, we were down almost 200 points. Same exact thing is going to be playing out here. It's just a matter of, when it's going to play, and it could, with the wave counts and everything else that's in place, it could happen tomorrow, it could happen Monday. Doesn't really make a difference to me. The bigger point move from this level here is going to be to the downside, and it doesn't really make a difference. If they go up, then you just short more. It's the time instruments that are very frustrating, and I understand that, but you know what? This is the market. You try to do your best you can, but these divergences and the complacency and the lack of any kind of protection in this market is telling me that nothing is different about this move up, even if they're at new highs. Once it stops going up, it's going to go straight down, and you're going to see the VIX go straight up. So with that, let's see what tomorrow brings, and enjoy the rest of your night.